banana. We have ekitakuli. If there are many, it is ebitakuli. That is a sweet potato.
Okay.
We have emondi. Emondi.
Emondi Irish.
Then omucheri.
Mucheri.
That is rice. Some other tribe of Baganda call it omucheri, but for us we call it omucheri. Then we have muhogo, which is cassava.
Oh.
The Baganda call it muhogo, but for us we call it muhogo. Then we have...
There is something... Wait, Mr. Dinesh, and there's something I want to ask about this muhogo.
Yes.
The word is... Oh my God, I forget. The word is...
The?
Maybe I remember it. And I forgot it. Maybe I remember it on the way.
Muhogo, that's cassava. Then we have echitechere. This echitechere is a yam. Or some people call it echiyuni. And if there are many, it is ebitechere or ebiyuni.
Yeah.
These are the local yams that are grown on dry land. Then we have other yams that are white. They are white and then they are sweet. They are sweeter than the other ones. They are soft for them. So in Ankole we call them bwaise. Why they call them bwaise is because our ancestors got them from Buganda, from a place called Bwaise, which was mainly a swamp. And when they reached there, they called them Bwaise. So these are the sweet yams that are
So
white.
that's why it's the one which is... there is one being grown in swamps, and there is one being grown on any type of soil. I don't know if you understand.
Bwaise is grown in swamps.
That one with color, right?
That is
It's like
white.
purple, white, purple.
Yes. The sweet one that most people like, it is called bwaise.
Ah.
Then this other echitechere can be grown anywhere. Then we have...
Okay.
We now go to echozi. Echozi, that is a pumpkin. If there are many, they are called ebyozi. And then we have entetera. Entetera, that is called the pumpkin seeds. Entetera. Some people will hear them call them entetere, but it is called entetera. These are pumpkin seeds.
All seeds are called entetera, all the pumpkin.
No, mainly pumpkin seeds. Yes. Because these seeds are eaten, we used to fly them. We roast them on a saucepan or a frying pan, and we eat them. Then we have echihimba. Echihimba, this is a bean. And if there are many, they are called ebihimba.
Okay.
Then we have orshaza. That is one pea. And if there are many, we call it obushaza.
Obushaza.
Yes. We have echinyobwa. That's a groundnut. If there are many, they call ebinyoga. But mainly you'll find that these ones, for beans, cowpeas, and G-nuts, we tend to like to call them in their plural. We rarely call them by the singular because they always appear in a group. It is only pumpkins that you find one can be enough for you. Then echichori, we call it, if it is one nyende chichori, ni nyenda echichori, I want maize. If there are many, they are called ebichori. Yes.
Okay.
Like now it is a season for ebichori. Then we have ekyenyanja. Ekyenyanja. This word, when it remains like this and remains enyanja, enyanja means a lake.
Okay.
So when I put ekyenyanja, means I'm meaning something that stays in water. Yes.
Okay.
This eche means something that stays in the place. If I say, eche chaka, because a chaka is a bush. A chaka, that's a bush. So if I say eche chaka, I'm meaning something that is from the bush. So this is a fish, and if there are many, we call them ebyenyanja. Actually, it is more like Ruganda. Order to Ruganda for them, they call it ebyenyanja. But for us here, this J, we call it ja. But the Baganda call it ja. That's why for them they call them ebyenyanja. But for us, we call them ebyenyanja. Then we have oruro. Yeah, that's millet. Oruro. If it is just one stem of millet. So, because it appears in plural, we rarely find one millet stuff. So we call them oburo. We have ihudi. That's an egg. A ihudi. If there are many, they become amahudi. We have bread, omugati. If there are many, they are called emigati. Emigati. We have dodo. Dodo, spinach, and all other green leaf vegetables.
They're called dodo.
I think even in English it is called dodo.
I don't know about it.
So even us in Runyankole, we don't have a word for it. We call them all dodo. Then there's another word you will hear as emboga. Emboga. This emboga means vegetables. Vegetables or sauce. Anything that is going to accompany food. Accompany food is called emboga.
Okay. Emboga.
So if I ask mwateka mbogachi, if I say mwateka mbogachi, mwateka mbogachi, I'm asking what sauce have you prepared? Mwateeka mboga ki? I'm asking what sauce have you prepared? Then you will tell the person twateeka ebinyoobwa. Twateeka ebinyoobwa, twateeka ebihimba, like that.
Okay.
Then we have orusenene. This orusenene is a grasshopper. I think you know that. Orusenene rumwe. Just one, it is called orusenene. Orusenene.
I know Nsenene.
If they are many, they are called nsenene. That one many people know. Then we have bogoya. Bogoya, that's a large sweet banana.
Is it Echiboga?
No, bogoya.
No, the other one, you were talking about the sauce. It was Echiboga?
Emboga. Emboga. This is emboga, which means vegetables or the sauce. Like the thing you are going to use to accompany solid food. That is sauce. Then, yeah. And when we remove the R and we put O, it becomes embogo. Embogo, that is a buffalo. Because I made a video about animals. That one you can also check it if you want to know about the names of the animals. Then we have bogoya. Bogoya. Some other people call it embogoya, but first we call it bogoya. That's a large sweet banana. Then the small sweet banana is called kabaragara. Kabaragara. I think.
Kabaragara?
Yes, kabaragara. Reason why they call this name is because our ancestors came to Uganda and this type of sweet banana was grown in a place that is currently now Kabaragara. So when they went back home with it, they decided to call it Kabaragara.
Okay.
Then we have omuneche. Omuneche. That is, it is for generally all the yellow bananas. Omuneche gumwe, then emineche. If you don't want a person to know which type of yellows you have, you say nyenemeneche. So that person will not know whether it is a large sweet banana, small sweet banana. Then we have obuhunga.
Obuhunga.
Obuhunga. Obuhunga. That is maize meal, maize flour, actually maize flour.
Obuhunga buchichori.
Yes. But you can just call it obuhunga ugebichori. Then yeah, we have the flour for cassava. There we say obuhunga bwa muhogo. That we are meaning cassava flour. Then we have orunyanya. Orunyanya, that is one tomato. Orunyanya. Plural is a nyanya. Then we have orutunguru, and that's 1 onion.
Okay. Sorry about the inconvenience. You can proceed.
It is okay. Many is obutunguru.
Obutunguru.
Yes. Now
Okay.
the difference with the Ruganda, you'll find Ruganda instead of Allah, they write
There is
Elo.
elo.
Yes. So here it is obutunguru. We have omugusha. Omugusha. Omugusha, that is sorghum.
Omugusha.
It is sugar.
You know, I don't know sorghum.
Yes?
I don't know sorghum, but I hear about it, but I never see it.
I'll take a peek one time when I reach where they have grown it. But you have ever seen maize?
Yes, I know.
Now, sorghum is in the class of maize. So those flowers of maize up, that's where sorghum puts its seeds. Sorghum is more like maize. They belong actually to the same class.
How do they eat it?
Now this sorghum, when you hear of the people in eastern Uganda, they use it for making alcohol.
Oh,
Yes.
I thought they make in this millet.
No, omugusha, there is omugusha which is white. Omugusha is bitter, it is not sweet. So the only omugusha they eat is white in color.
Okay.
And if they want to eat this omugusha, you first soak it in water. You soak in water, then that sour thing gets soft, and you dry it. Then you mix it with millet.
Oh.
But mostly in Ankwere we used to put this omugusha in ripe banana, in a shande. We'd put in a shande, then we ferment for a night.
You
Then
told me a shanda is banana juice, no?
yes, banana juice. So we put in that juice omugusha and we cover, then it ferments, then we make alcohol. So this is how omugusha is not eaten like you get omugusha and you eat it alone. It is bitter. Okay, it is sour. It is not sweet when you eat it alone. Then we have carrot. Carrot is like our normal carrot. We have cabbage.
Okay.
Cabbage, then we have echikwijo. In Uganda they call it echikajo, but here we call it echikwijo. If there are many, we call them ebikwijo. Then that is sugarcane. We have empocha. I remember that one, that's a soya bean. Then we have eshenda. Eshenda is red pepper.
Red pepper? I thought it's December 9th.
Means what?
9th, because I saw one lesson when it was teaching about numbers, and I saw a shenda. Is it a
Numbers.
shenda? I don't know.
No,
Yes.
I was talking of a chenda. Of chenda.
Ah,
Chenda means 90. So a shenda is a red pepper.
a shenda.
Yes. Then there is a related word which is eiju ya kashenda. You see, iju means ash. Eiju. Then ya
Asian means what?
iju means ash.
Ash. Ah, this
Yes.
white ash.
Ash, like the one in a kitchen. Or when you burn something.
Mm.
But now the ash that is got after cooking food in a kitchen, we call it iju rya kashenda.
Julia Kashenda.
Yes, iju rya kashenda. I don't know why they called it kashenda, because if that ash also goes into your eyes, it is also, it does that itching thing. I don't know why they called it iju rya kashenda. But that is ash that is in the kitchen.
Okay.
Then we have enyama. Enyama, that is meat. And here,
Okay.
for us, we don't have beef, goat, we don't have chicken, we don't have mutton, we don't have pork. We just put enyama, then we put ye for the animal that it
Okay.
belongs to. Enyama yente,
Okay.
enyama y'embuzi,
Okay.
chicken is enyama y'enkoko, mutton is enyama y'entaama, pork is enyama
Eh,
y'empunu.
even
Even
what
when
in Tama?
entaama, that is enyama y'entaama, because this entaama means a sheep. Entaama.
Oh,
Entaama is a sheep. Enkoko is a hen. Embuzi is a goat. Then empunu is a
okay.
pig. Is a pig. This is pig's meat. So you say enyama yente, enyama y'embuzi, that's goat's meat, enyama y'enkoko, enyama y'entaama, enyama y'empunu, enyama y'embaata. Then if you add for this turkey, it is called enyama ya sekoko. Enyama ya sekoko. Yeah, that is the turkey's meat. Turkey's meat. Enyama ya sekoko. A turkey is called sekoko. Sekoko. Because it is a big hen.
Okay.
Then we have
Okay.
omonyo. Omonyo is salt. Salt.
Ammonia.
Yes, salt. Then we have echijuma. That's a fruit. Just one fruit. General name for fruit. If they are many, they are called ebijuma. Those are fruits.
Okay.
So if the hospital, they tell you, gender olye ebijuma. They are telling you, go and eat fruits. We have omuyembe. That is a mango. If there are many, they are emiyembe. Then we have omuchungwa. Omuchungwa is an orange. And if there are many, they are called emichungwa. Then we have akatunda. Akatunda is a passion fruit. Many, they are called obutunda.
Okay.
We have inanasi. I think that one is similar in Uganda. Inanasi. Same like in Uganda.
Even for
Yes?
I said even for Swahili it's called banana.
Yes, even in Kiswahili. Then we have vakedo or vakedo. We have ipapari.
Ipapari.
That is amapapari. Those are purples. If there are many, call them amapapari. Amapapari. Then we have echfenesi. Or you can just call it fene. Just full stop. Just call it fene. Because most people don't always call it echfenesi, we got a short word and we call it fene.
Okay.
Then we have endimu. Endimu, that is lemon.
What?
Endimu, that is lemon. Lemon. I think you know the lemon, the sour oranges. Then we have echokunywa. You remember echokunywa?
Yes, it's a drink.
Amate. Milk. Obushera. That is porridge. But mainly meleti porridge. Then we have chai, that is tea. Even in Kiswahili it is called chai. Then we have amarwa.
Amarwa.
That is beer. Pombe. This is amarwa. Then amarwa. It is not amarwa. There are those who there is another alcohol called amarwa. The one which they put in pots and people use very long pipes. But ours, the beer is called amarwa. That is for all alcohol. Actually, it may mean alcohol. All types of alcohol, call them amarwa. Then you have eshande, sweet banana juice. That one you remember. Obuhunga. Obuhunga, that is maize porridge. It means maize flour or maize porridge. Then we have amajani. Amajani, that is coffee. coffee beans, or even coffee. No. It is tea leaves, amajani.
See, no,
Amajani is
this
tea
is inside it.
leaves.
Majani.
Tea leaves.
Mm.
Then we have kawa. Kawa, that is a coffee drink. Then we have omwani. Omwani, that is coffee. Coffee beans or coffee.
Okay.
So we have shukari. Shukari, that is sugar. Yes, before we go to these ones, I wanted to give you some questions I was seeing, and we can easily answer it together. I'm going to scroll and reach you there. Then you see, and we can do it together. Then I'll change to another window. A window, then I put this one. Now you're seeing our new thing. You're seeing Ninkunda Kurya. So this one is like filling in. Ninkunda Kurya. You can feel ebitoche. Ebitoche. Oburo. Nomucheri. Because here you see there was this any with a dash. It was like this. That means the word that should come here should be beginning with a vowel. You could say here, Ninkunda kurya ebitoche, muhogo, n'omucheri, or n'oburo. N'oburo. Yeah, like this. N'oburo. Na oburo. N'oburo. Yes. Ningashi. But of course you must put a sauce that you eat. Nebihimba. Or nenyama. Because you can't eat all the hard things. You must add the sauce. So here we can put nenyama, nebihimba, nobusaza, nebinyobwa. Yeah, this one was mainly for the sauce that you were supposed to put. Then we have konka, tinkunda kurya.
What's konka?
Konka, but. But tinkunda, I don't like.
Tinkunda kurya.
I don't like to eat. Tinkunda kurya. Maybe ebitakuri. Ebitakuri. Linga. Emondi. So this means but. You have some background noise.
Somebody was on phone and was passing by.
So, so this sentence could mean konka tinkunda kulya ebitakuri ninga emondi. This one means but I don't like to eat sweet potatoes and Irish potatoes.
Irish potato.
Yes. This what
Now
this.
what's Ninga? Ninga is and.
Ninga is and. Ninga is and. Then here, ninkunda kunywa.
Ninkunda kunywa amaizi.
Amaizi. Ekindi, ninkunda kunywa amaizi. Obushera. Namate.
Shande.
Ne shande. Exactly. Nokunda kunywa obushera ne shande. Yes, exactly. You can put that. Ne shande. Ne shande. So this ninkunda kunywa amaizi obushera ne shande. That means ninkunda is I like. Kunywa is to drink. Amaizi, you know that one, water, porridge, and banana juice. Yes, now we're going to translate. We're going to translate some sentences. I'm going to translate some sentences to English.
Mr. Dennis, before you got another window, I want to screenshot this please. Before you take it out, I want to screenshot it.
Okay. Yeah, I can send it to you.
Okay, if you can, then it will be better. Or before you close this window, I can screenshot it myself and I get it without this.
It is okay.
Okay.
So here it is. We see these sentences. The first one says, Amarwa ni marungi konka nyowe tinganywa. What do you think it means?
Amarwa alcohol ni marungi is good. Konka but nyowe me tinganywa. I don't drink it.
Yes, tinganywa. That is good. That's what it means. And this one down says Ninyanga Amarwa. What do you think it means?
Ninyanga I hate.
Yes.
I hate alcohol.
Yes.
Wow. I'm getting.
You are a good student. tindi kwenda kusinda.
Tindi kwenda
Yes. Kusinda.
tindi kwenda is I don't want.
Yes, this word kusinda means to get drunk. This kusinda
Oh my
is
God.
to get drunk, or if a cow is sick, the noise it makes, or the buffalo, when it is making that sound, they call it okusinda. So maybe they associated that when this person is drunk, he makes sound like of a buffalo. So this person was saying, I don't want to get drunk. Where you see this word T, you mean there is something like don't. I don't. I don't want to. Kwenda is I don't want. I don't want to get drunk. Kusinda is to get drunk. Then this one, can you read for me this one?
Amate
Eh,
n'umurungi
yes.
kandi n'obushera n'eburungi.
What
And
does?
milk is good and porridge is good. Is it
Yeah,
porridge?
exactly. Porridge is good. Then munywani wa this one. Munywani wawe nakunda kulya ki? Munywani
wawe nakunda kulya ki? What does your friend want to eat?
What does your friend like to eat? Munywani wawe nakunda. This one means like something that is repeatedly. Nakunda kulya ki? What does your friend love or like to eat? Then kandi iwe nokunda kunywa ki? This one got split.
And you?
Kandi iwe nokunda kunywa ki na ki?
And iwe nokunda kunywa ki na ki? Like, and you, what do you want? What do you like to drink? And what?
So
Like,
there you can say nyowe ninkunda kunywa amate n'obushera.
okay. Genesis, I have a question.
Yes.
Like, there is nowhere meaning me, and there is ninye meaning the same thing. So, how do
This word
let's
nyowe,
use
nyowe ninkunda kunywa amate n'obushera. Me, I love. You said nyowe and niwe.
No. Nyowe means me,
Yes.
and ninye.
Ninye.
Ninye means me as well. Yes.
Ninye is like when you are replying. Who has done this? You can say ninye, or you say okay, ninye is only one. You don't have anything added on. You are like saying, I'm the one. But nyowe today is me. Nyowe means me.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Then We have hindura. Hindura omurujungu.
I never heard about it.
Hindura. Okuhindura means to change.
To change?
That is hindura.
Can you give me any sentence? How to write it in a sentence?
If I say okuhindura, okuhindura is to change. Okuhindura. Okuhindura, that means to change. If I tell you okuhindura, okuhindura.
Okay, Mr. James, before we proceed, there is another question, please. One day you told me about Tinduka and you told me it's a change.
Yes.
It's to change.
Yes.
Okay.
They are the same, though we have okuhindura, then we have empinduka. Then we have okuhinduka. Okuhinduka is to turn, or actually, by the way, to change. It is the same. To turn or to change. Okuhinduka omuntu. That is to turn into a person. If I say embwa yahinduka kapa.
No.
Embwa yahinduka enjangu. That means a dog has changed into a cat. Then, if I say okuhindura abebembezi, abebembezi, this means to change leaders. To change leaders. Okuhindura abebembezi, abebembezi.
Okuhindura abebembezi.
Because abebembezi is leaders. If is one is omwebembezi. Okuhindura engoye. Okuhindura ebijwaro. Okuhindura ebijwaro. That is to change clothes.
Okay, how do you say I'm going to change my clothes?
You say ninza kuhindura. Ninza kuhindura ebijwaro byanje. I'm going to change my clothes.
Ninza kuhindura ebijwaro byanje.
Yes, I'm going to change my clothes. Yes, it can mean to change them, or to actually, when you have dried the clothes and you are turning them to another side. So that is okuhindura. Ninza kuhindura. You are going to change something. Then okuhinduka. If I want you to turn, like to change direction, I can say hinduka. Or to change direction, I can tell you that hinduka. I'm saying change direction. So I think you are getting what this okuhinduka and okuhindura mean. So hindura omurujungu, translate. Actually kuhindura may also mean to translate. You know, changing, you are like translating. So this first sentence says It says, hello.
Hello. Yes, I'm sorry. I just put the direct call. I have to go off.
I think we can translate these ones and then we end our lesson for today.
Okay.
I'm seeing here it is becoming dark. So we have this first sentence. Can you read for me the first sentence? You read it for me.
Hindura umuryango. Hindura umuryango.
Ebihimba.
Ebihimba n'obushaza.
Yes. Nokunda ki. That one
Ebihimba is there. Did not teach me about obushaza.
Obushaza was also obushaza is cowpeas. It was also there, I remember, but I know it was, you had forgotten. Obushaza is cowpeas. Ebihimba n'obushaza nokunda ki. Beans and cowpeas. What do you like? Beans and cowpeas. Or like between beans and cowpeas, what do you like? Beans and cowpeas, what do you like? Then engaro ziryaje oburo. Engaro, you know what it means? Fingers. Eat well, merit.
Engaro ziryaje oburo.
Yes. Niturya emineke.
Wait.
Nitu, that is we are. Oh,
We are?
We are eating or we eat. Nitu. This two is to do something. So we can say we eat. Nitugenda, we go. That's what to is, to do something. So to is turya, that is to eat. So if I say ni, that means I eat yellows. Hati ni nyenda kurya ebitoche byonka. What does it mean? Now, or means now. I want ni nyenda.
Now I want to eat only bananas.
Bananas only.
Now I want to eat only bananas, right?
Yes. The word vyonka means only. Only. Yes. So hati ni nyenda kurya ebitoche byonka. Today, or it may mean now, I want to eat bananas only. So we are ending our lesson for today. Yes?
Okay.
We are ending our lesson for today. Hello? We are ending our lesson for today from here. Nashemererwa tuvugane nyenkya kare. We meet tomorrow. Bye.
Hello.
Yes. My mic has a problem.
Ndura omwanyiro. Ndura omwanyiro. Erihinda n'obusheze.
So, obusinge. Obusinge bugumeneiwe.
Ziryaje okuro.
Obusinge bugumeneiwe. Yeah.
Ninza kuhindura ebijwaro byanje.
Ninza kuhindura ebijwaro byanje.
Ninza kuhindura ebijwaro.
I want to change my clothes. Okay. Bye. We meet tomorrow.
Offline?